What's up, dweebs? You know what today is? It's time to taste the Carolina Reaper sauerkraut. So, jar number one. This is, if you remember, the one Reaper to a little bit less than a half of a cabbage. So one Carolina Reaper, a little less than half a cabbage. Right now I'm taking off that top layer of leafage, so we can just go ahead and put this straight in the trash can. And then just beneath that we have all this good, delicious, tasty Carolina Reaper sauerkraut. There's only one Carolina Reaper in here, so I'm giving a good stir. I mean, all of it should ferment together anyway. I'm gonna be honest with you, it smells exactly like sauerkraut. It doesn't smell spicy at all. So it might just not be spicy. So that's fun. I'm gonna take a little bite here, and I'm gonna get some with the pepper on it. All right, so here you go. A little pepper on there. Let's give it a go. It's hot. It's immediately hot. It's good. It's really good sauerkraut, but it's warm. Oh, fuck. I don't know. Yeah, it's going to be a wild ride doing the next one, because I don't know if you remember. This one has 6 Carolina Reapers in it, so it's just the color difference between the two. This one's a lot deeper, a lot redder. But this is actually, like, that's tolerable. It's really hot. For someone with, like, a normal heat tolerance, it wouldn't be good at all. It'd be crazy. It's a little bit crazy for me, and I'm pretty decent with that. But yeah, it's a little too hot. But no, it's not. It's actually really good. It's not too hot unless you're kind of a baby, which most of you are, just based on what you guys comment on my shit. You know, it just kind of seems like you're babies. All right, so jar number 2, we're gonna take out that top layer of cabbage. That's just to keep it down, keep it solid. So that we can just remove, put it right in that tea can. And then now we're left with this hot frickin' poison in here. Super weird because it literally doesn't smell spicy at all. So I'm just giving it a good stir here. Oh man, that one, it's good. That one, if you're gonna like make it to actually eat, one Carolina Reaper is all you need. This is gonna be a frickin' nightmare. We'll see. Oh my god. I'm like trying to get a bite with just like a few peppers on it, but like I grab one and it's like, oh no, it's absolutely loaded with peppers. So I'm gonna do like that much. That one's really good though. Like I recommend that. Do that one. Or you could do a full batch with the full cabbage and then 2 Carolina Reapers, or maybe even just one with a full batch of cabbage, and that would be good. And you could put it on stuff and have it be reasonable. It's so hot. Immediately. It's crazy because it doesn't smell hot at all. It doesn't smell spicy. But as soon as it hits your mouth, it's so hot. It's so hot. As soon as it touches your mouth. Yeah, it's... That one, you shouldn't put on anything. You shouldn't use that one. I'm starting to tear up a little bit. I'm really good with spicy. I like at Thai places I order it super hot. Like yeah. Oh, and it really fucking kicks in. And you start drooling a little bit. It's not like, you know, some hot sauces like Black Mamba and like Reaper squeezins or whatever, like they hit your tongue and it hurts. Like it like physically hurts. This one doesn't physically hurt. It's just so hot that you can't stand to eat it. I'm gonna spit some spit out, but I definitely would recommend doing like one or maybe two with a full head of cabbage, but this 6 with a half a cabbage is bonkers, and I don't know what I'm gonna do with it. I'll probably end up throwing it away because it's just too fucking hot. See ya.